Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Menteri Kesorkar Jilla uba Renikton Lingdo Tongkar Ïalam ye ka komiti Shikijaka Khappud ki bahab ha West Khasi Hills District ha ka South Tarik ubanai nailar hajar puway kani ka komiti kabala thong de Kesorkar kan lum ye ki kot kisla ki sakhi satar shwa bakan lej IT pat ye ka Khappud shaka Sorkar ha ka santarik ubanai nailar hajar puway ha ka bau menteri rangba jong ka Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma bat menteri rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kin yakendo ha ka hendreo tarik unailar hajar puway ha gohati.
Since you all know that there was a committee in the district, in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government, and one committee in West Khasi Hill I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district, West Khasi Hills, on 4th, day after tomorrow, myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives, of course along with the official from the district West Khasi Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. Zizang, and then Hahim, Tarabari, and then Langti. These areas falls under our jurisdiction, for which we will go to inspect. Still going on the day after tomorrow on 4th, because you see on 6th there is a meeting. There will be a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, where we will also be going, some of us, to go along with our Chief Minister. And we should have the report, brief report, short report, whatever we can do when we come from our inspection. We have one day on 5th where we can compile the report, whatever we can get from that inspection. Entitled only our area in West Khasi Hills. I am the chairman of the committee, and the rest here there are some others ministers who will be heading the committee. They will do their job also to inspect, or they may have a committee. That depends on the wisdom of the committee, whether they will go for inspection or they will have the meeting among the members constitute that committee. But we have decided to go and inspect the site itself. Yeah, we will talk to the people, that for sure. We will be talking to people and want to understand also the people, the views and opinion of the people residing on those areas. You see, law and order, of course, we don't want to create any law and order problem. We will go peacefully. I will request DC to inform the Assam counterpart also, so that there will be no law and order issue, law and order problem at the time when we go for inspection. We want a peaceful inspection. The past records, past history is there about the law and order, which is happening there, we know. So that of course we will study, but we want in the process more focus on peace inspection, peace settlement. So we hope that there will be no law and order problem during our inspection and during our examination. You see, we are talking about referendum. That also it's one of the criteria that we will try to consider that also. But that may not be the final decision to take on the people's referendum. But of course, it's one of the criteria to be considered. I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister last week when he traveled with me from here to Makarwat. We have discussed that our land registration fee, the stamp duty is very high, and it has discouraged people to register because they have to pay huge amount for the stamp duty. So we'll try. I can raise this, and I think we will see if we can bring down the stamp duty rate so that it will encourage people to register. Otherwise, as of now, people they are hesitant to register due to the stamp duty, particularly in the border. I'm with you on that. I also feel that it's important at least to encourage people to register the land. But that you see, since now we are in the process of getting the border. So I think at this point of time, encouraging people just to register immediately, I think it may not be right decision at this point of time, since we are going to settle. So let's see how fast, how best we can settle. And of course, even after settlement also, it is better for the people to register their land. And I would request people residing there in the border area to register their land in Meghalaya. Of course, we will see how we can do. I don't know whether even the declaration, if it's allowed people to declare, so that they need not to pay the stamp duty on the small amount of stamp duty, the stamp paper they have to buy by doing the declaration. So we'll explore that possibilities is there. It depends on the deputy commissioner to do that.